Hello friends. In this video lecture, I will teach you or I will tell you about structure of nodal tissue or conducting system in human heart. So friends, conducting system that relays electric impulses through heart consists of modified cardiac muscles, cells, and that form the special types of tissue. So these special types of tissue are called as nodal tissue. Friends, these nodal tissue consist of the following structure. Sinoatrial node. Second one is atrioventricular node or AVN. And third type of nodal tissues, atrioventricular bundle or AV bundles and bundles of His. After that, Purkinje fibers. AV bundle further divided to form right bundles and left bundles. These are called as bundles of His. How does SAN or sinoatrial node action potential generate? Look, just pumping of heart. So first nodal tissue is sinoatrial node because it generates action potential. In the heart of mammals, there is a specialized area of cardiac muscles fibers called sinoatrial nodes or SA node. It's just near the entrance of superior vena cava on the right atrium. So it's situated near the upper lateral wall of the right atrium. Sinoatrial node near the right atrium, upper part of the right atrium. SA node is actually a remnant of sinus venosus which is fused with the right atrium. SA node is called pacemaker as it generates each wave of cardiac impulse. Each heartbeat or cardiac impulse originates from here and then spreads throughout the two atria as a wave of contraction. So friends, the fibers of SA node have the ability of self-excitation and control the rate of entire heartbeat. The fibers of SA nodes have high concentration of sodium ions in the extracellular fluid and negative charge inside the nodal fibers. Due to this high concentration of sodium ions and presence of open channels, sodium ions always tend to enter inside. This results in the rise of membrane potential and generation of action potential, causing excitation of SA node. Friends, in this way, SAN or sinoatrial node generate action potential. Now question is this here, how does these action potential conduct of heartbeat? So friends, when stimulus in the form of waves, electrical excitation or impulses originates at SA node and spread to both atria and they respond by contracting almost simultaneously. Right atrium contracts a fraction of a second earlier. So this wave of contraction cannot spread to ventricles as the atrial muscles fibers are completely separated from the ventricle muscles fiber and there is no continuation except the muscles that form AV node. So SAN is also called pacemaker of heart. Second nodal tissue is AVN, atrioventricular node. The wave of excitation is now picked up by this group of specialized muscles fiber called as atrioventricular node, present close to the interatrial septum near the right AV aperture. Another type of nodal tissue is atrioventricular bundles. So AB bundle is a bundle of muscles fiber that descends from the AV node along the interatrial and interventricular septa and form a continuity between atrial and ventricular muscles. It receives the excitation from AV node and passes it on to the bundle of His. Another nodal tissues are divided into, so AV bundles are further divided into right bundles or left bundles. They are called as bundles of His. Bundle of His. These are present in the interventricular septum connected to the AB bundles. The bundle of His pass down the septum as right and left branches, conducting the impulse to the respective ventricles. Friends, you just look. Each bundle of His give out a fine network of fibers spreading all over the ventricles called Purkinje fibers. The impulses travels through these branches and both the ventricles contract simultaneously. The ventricular wave begins from the apex of ventricles and spread upwards. Since the waves of impulse takes the time to pass from SA node to AV node, atrial systole is over before the ventricular systole starts. So in this way you can understand the path of action potential. So first of all, action potential generated by SA node or sinoatrial node, contraction of right and left atria. Then AV node, after that AV bundle, after that bundle of His means contraction of ventricles, because bundle of His provides impulses for the contraction of or simultaneous contraction of ventricles. And finally Purkinje fibers. So in this way conduction of action potential takes place. Dear students, write down a questions here and you just find out the answers with the help of any resources like NCERT and so forth. So question is this: what are the differences between SA node and AV node? Thank you very much.